Experiencing a frozen screen or no audio in your MG Comet's infotainment system? These issues often stem from software glitches, overheating, or connectivity problems. Don't worry, most of the time it can be easily fixed. As of September 2025, MG has addressed many of these glitches through over-the-air software updates, significantly reducing failures. First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This restarts the system without erasing data and often resolves temporary memory issues. If the problem persists, ensure your system is up to date by connecting to Wi-Fi and navigating to Settings, Software Update. These steps resolve most common problems without needing professional help. If a soft reset and updating the software doesn't fix your infotainment system, you can try a hard reset, also known as a factory reset. Alternatively, press volume up and power buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. If problems continue, consider MG's remote diagnostics offered by their support team. While hardware replacements are rare, if none of these steps work, it may indicate a more serious issue requiring professional attention.